For a few days every summer, the sleepy southern German town of Friedrichshafen on the banks of Lake Constance becomes the outdoor equipment capital of the world. 12 enormous exhibition halls are filled with brand new gear as manufacturers from around the globe show off all the camping and outdoor kit they've got lined up for the following year. As always, the Camping Magazine team got an invite, and on your behalf we looked at hundreds of new products, from torches to tents and everything in between. So stay tuned for an exclusive sneak peek at 6 of our favourites, exciting new gear that you'll be able to buy in time for your 2019 camping adventures. Outwell are all about family camping innovation, and the new DREAMBOAT self-inflating mat is their latest groundbreaking creation. At 12 cm thick, it's extremely comfortable. It also has not one, but 2 of their air control valves to speed up inflation and deflation. But the real innovation here is heat regulation. The design means it keeps you cool in the warmer summer months, but flip it over when it's colder and it will retain heat at night. Fjallraven's KANKEN backpack is iconic, and for 2019 2 Swedish artists have come up with their own take on this Scandinavian design classic. Bright colours and bold prints are combined with the traditional KANKEN features to create something really special. There will also be a special Pride version of the backpack available too. With the amount of gear most families take with them when they go camping these days, space is always at a premium when it comes to packing the car. This new range of chairs from Scottish camping specialist Vango solves that problem. With their steel frames, micro chairs are sturdy, comfortable and reasonably priced, but they also pack away small, making them ideal for when space is limited. BioLite first came on the scene 5 or 6 years ago with their pioneering camping stove, ran on burning twigs and generated power for electrical devices. Since then they've produced a range of camping products that are always interesting and always innovative. The latest is the new headlamp range, lightweight, ultra thin, rechargeable and available in 4 bright colours. Like all BioLite products, they combine state-of-the-art technology with eye-catching design. There's not a lot more irritating than when you try to switch on your lantern on the first night of a camping trip and discover that the batteries have run out while it was stored away. Coleman's new battery guard system is designed to ensure that batteries in your lighting won't lose their charge while they're not in use. The new feature automatically disconnects the battery as soon as you switch the light off, and it also protects them from corrosion. It's fitted on many of Coleman's new 2019 lighting range, including head torches, lanterns and flashlights. Field Candy's tents and accessories are quirky and funny and guaranteed to stand out in the campsite, and we loved this design we spotted at Friedrichshafen. Based on the Beatles' famous yellow submarine animation, it's definitely one for music lovers and festival goers. So hope you enjoyed that roundup of new gear from the 2018 Outdoor Show. We've got lots more to tell you about. See our new gear features on outandaboutlive.co.uk, and look out for the autumn 2018 issue of Camping Magazine, which will be packed full of even more new kit for 2019.